Hello, I am Vikasni Kannan. I am a clinical psychologist licensed with the Rehabilitation Council of India. It is very important that we talk about the state of mind, about mental health as a whole, about our psychological well being. We often focus more on the physical health because it is more tangible, it is more observable. But the mental aspect, the psychological aspect, is more nuanced and subtle as compared to the physical aspect, which is why we might end up ignoring it at times unless it really starts bothering us. So, understanding that our mental state, our mental well being is equally important brings in a lot of positive changes in our lives. And we also need to understand that working on our mental health is a very everyday process. It's not just going to therapy when we are working on our mental health, but we should be working on our mental health each and every day. So each day is a new opportunity to build our resilience, to build on our coping skills, understand ourselves a little more. I believe that having a healthy mind enables us to face challenges, face adversities with a much more positive outlook, not giving up when things get tough, rather persisting and tapping onto our resources and building on them to face that challenge. So, having a more positive state of mind, having a more optimistic outlook towards life as a whole can really help us in building immunity. Sometimes we end up overestimating the troubles, the crisis in front of us, and underestimate our capacity to actually face it. We need to understand that all of us have the strength, all of us have those coping mechanisms to deal with adversities. I do understand that sometimes things get really difficult and we might face problems in handling it alone. In that case, please do reach out for professional help. Please seek help, and I'm very sure that things will get better. My Tutorials is offering a wide range of services, right from coaching classes to various tutorials, online workshops, seminars, and counseling. I hope that my association with My Tutorials helps me in reaching out to more people who are in need of help and support so that we can collaboratively help them lead better lives, more productive lives.